Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to cover up how to use the if function properly in Microsoft Excel, and we are going to show a result when a value is true and another when a value is false. To learn about this formula and the trick to use it properly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. So here it is. So friends, basically we have a data file like this, and we have, look at here, in this data file we have some task that is named like A, B or C, D or anything else you have, and we have a column where the completed date are included. So basically we have to show the result closed as status when we have a completed date in this column and open when the cell is blank in this column. To test a cell and take some action, if the cell is blank or empty, you can use the if function. The formula will be like this. Look at here, equals to if we are going to use the if function, then it is asking for the logical test. So the logical test will be, if any of the cell in this column has a value, then it will be showed as closed, and if any of these cell in this column does not have any values, it will be showed as open. So at first we have to select the first cell here, then we have to put an equation symbol. After that you just have to open the double quotation, then close the double quotation, right? Then put a comma here. So look at here friends, this will be our logical test. Then put a comma here. After that again open the double inverted comma. This logical test means D5 will be blank because in the middle of the quotation there is nothing, that means blank. Then we are going to type here as open as it is blank, then close the double inverted comma, then again put a comma, and when it is not blank it will be showed as closed. So again open the double inverted comma, then type closed here, closed, then close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, as it have a value in this cell, it is showing closed as the status. And if you copy the formula from upside down here, look at here, in this cell we don't have any value, so it is showing as open. So let's check how this formula actually works. This logical expression equals to double inverted comma means is empty. In this example shown, column D contains a date if a task has been completed. In column E, a formula checks for blank cells in column D. If a cell is blank, the result is a status of open. if the cell contains a value, a date in this case, but it could be anything else or any value. The formula will be returned as closed. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully this formula will help you in your daily work life. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who wants to learn Excel from beginning level. Share your opinion and your queries in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.